I've come on today with a small haul, some from the Works, some from WHSmiths, and a charity shop find. I'll start with the items from the Works. So if you saw my previous video, you'll know that I bought some camera style stickers, and in this particular Works I found this film strip washi tape, so I thought that would work well with those. I have actually already used a bit on a project as well, which I will share at some point. I can't actually remember how much that was, and as I've already used it, I'll throw away the wrapper. Then I bought some brushes, just because a few of mine are going a bit manky, so I just bought some new ones to replace those. And I bought some watercolours. Now the other day I bought the gouache paints, and I wanted to have a bit of a play with the watercolours, so I've got some watercolours, but they're quite expensive ones. It's the Gansai Tambi, so I don't want to sort of be using them just to have a sort of a play around with them and experiment, so I thought these would be good at just £5 for the 12 colours. But this is what I actually went in for, is the Cozy and Calm colouring book. I saw this, well, it popped up in an email that I had from the Works, and I am loving this artwork of these cozy creatures, but they didn't have it in my work, so we went to a Lego event near Huntingdon, and we went into the Works there afterwards, and they had this one and the other one, Happy Street. They're by Sunny Vibes. They were just £4 each, so quite reasonable price, I thought. I obviously don't know what they're going to colour up like with regards to the paper, although the paper doesn't feel too bad, to be honest, so we'll see. It might be a case of using pencils though rather than markers. So that's that one. I won't go into any detail on it because people have asked for a colouring book video. So here's the other one. Like I said, this is called Happy Street, and it is exactly what they say. They're cosy, they're cute, and they're very happy. I just think these are lovely, and I just find colouring really relaxing. I know it's a huge trend now, but I have actually been doing it for a while, so I've not really jumped on that bandwagon as such. Now these are the two that I got in WHSmiths. So this one is definitely human art. I don't know about the Sunny Vibes. I don't know whether these are human artwork, whether they're AI generated or whatever. I haven't looked in any great detail. But this one is human artwork because Colouring Heaven only do human art. And this is by Morgan O'Brien, and I have seen those books online. I think you can get them on Amazon. Again, just a quick flick through, because I'll do a separate colouring video or colouring book video. But these are really, really cute. This has to be one of my favourites. He's obviously in Amsterdam with the tulips and the windmill. So yeah, they're just lovely. They're really cute stories. You could just imagine what's going on in them and put words to them. They're really, really sweet. So yeah, I love those images. And I got the Cozy Cuties. Now this you can get online, and I, like I said, picked it up in Smiths, and it's by Penguin because they've actually taken on some of the colouring books. The only problem is I was reading in one of the groups that this paper, so bearing in mind this is probably higher quality paper, it doesn't work very well with markers. Lots of people are having problems with alcohol markers on them, so this might be a pencils only book. Yeah, so we shall see, but apparently the ones on Amazon, the same book but on Amazon on their cheaper paper, works well, which is obviously a bit odd, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But again, these are very, very cute. Just like it says, Cozy Cuties. And what I like with these ones that I bought from the Works actually is you get this sheet in the back, so you get like a double cover. So you can put that between your pages so your inks don't bleed through, which I thought was quite a cool idea. And then I picked up this in the charity shop. So I do love sticker books. I buy a lot of them for my niece, but I like ones that are obviously particularly very me, so to speak. So you might have seen my video, and I can link it here, is the the one where I've done the Nutcracker, because I loved the Nutcracker ballet, and there was a sticker book, so I've done that one. I've also got another one waiting to be done, which is a vintage style one, but it's not this. So this is the wartime fashion from the Second World War. Like I say, it was in a charity shop. I thought, oh, maybe it's been done, but it hasn't. All the people are waiting to be dressed. All the stickers are there. And so these books are normally £5.99. This was £1.99. The girl behind the till was like, wow, that is an absolute bargain. And it is. So yeah, all the stickers are there. So I shall spend some time doing that, and I'll probably share it. The Nutcracker one actually went down really well, so yeah, like I say, all the stickers are there. It's got all the pages of the people in their fashion, although they are partly in their underwear at the moment. And it's got like the different sort of phases of the war. So this is like this here, it says under on duty, and you've got the under occupation, the American look, and just, it's like I say, it's very me. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know how much I love vintage style. That is it. Like I said, another tiny little haul, but very happy that I managed to get the Cozy and Calm colouring book, and also my vintage sticker book that was an absolute bargain of a find in the charity shop. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, letting me know what you think of this haul, and until next time, cheerio.